Pineapple and turmeric, face mask for acne. Besides pineapple, this mask also contains turmeric, and these two ingredients make the mask soothing and exfoliating. Mask recipe. Chop off a 1/4 section from the bottom of the washed pineapple, peel the skin off, and cut it into small chunks. Blend these chunks in a high-speed blender to get a lump-free puree, which you need to transfer to a small bowl. Now, when you have got a bowl of a pineapple puree, stir 1/4 teaspoon or less of turmeric powder in it. How to use it. Take a small amount of this face mask with a mask brush, and apply it evenly onto your clean and dry face, avoiding the areas around the eyes and mouth. Let the mask sit on your face for 10 minutes, or until you feel a stinging sensation from it. Close your eyes, and rinse off the mask with cool water, and pat dry your face. If you feel your skin is too dry after the mask, moisturize it with a drop of coconut oil. Notes. Using a mask brush is recommended, because turmeric can stain your fingernails. You can store the mask in the fridge for 2-3 days, but make sure to let it get warm a bit afterwards, before using it on the face. Don't scrub the mask during the application, because the exfoliation process will take place naturally. The benefits of the ingredients. Pineapple is quite effective at removing dirt, bacteria, and dead cells from the acne-prone skin, without worsening its condition. It makes the skin softer, reduces its flakiness, and treats inflammation, thanks to the fruit enzyme, called bromelain. Curcumin, found in turmeric, has amazing antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. It helps clear off acne and soothe the skin. In addition to that, you can get a skin whitening effect from using turmeric in the face mask.